Okay, so in the question starting from temperature 300 Kelvin, there is 1 mole, okay, of an ideal gas. Gamma is given, diatomic. It is first compressed adiabatically from volume V1 to V2. If you take the PV graph, okay, how it will be? First adiabatic process, PV la adiabatic process na it will be like this, correct? இது A, இது B னு பேர் வச்சுக்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன ஆகுறாரு, V1 ல இருந்து V2 க்கு வராரு. இந்த V2 என்னது, V1/16. அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகுது, from here to here it is given. we have to write this here, V1 இங்கே, இது V1/16. ஏன்னா வால்யூம் குறையுதுல்ல. இங்கேருந்து இங்கே போயிட்டு அடுத்து what is happening, it is allowed to expand isobarically. so pressure is remaining constant. இங்கேருந்து ஏதோ ஒரு ஸ்டேட்டுக்கு போகிறாரு. okay, this is what given. இவர் வீடிருந்து 2Vக்கு போகிறார். okay, it is allowed to expand isobarically to 2V2. 2V2 அப்படின்னா V1/16 இருக்கும். here it is V/16 means V1/8 வந்து எங்கே இருக்கும், இங்கே இருக்கும். 2 into V1/16. okay, it will be exactly in between. This is V1/8, that is 2 into V1/16. okay, so in the we have to find what final temperature we have to find. what is the temperature Tc we have to find. so first AB process பார்த்தீங்கன்னா adiabatic process. adiabatic process na what we know, PV power gamma. okay, correct. இங்கே PV details தான் நமக்கு இருக்காரு. am I right? no, temperature is given. okay, volume is given, but TV relation we have to use. okay, so TV power gamma minus 1 will be constant. T1 V1, so T2 V2 gamma minus 1. so T1 is 300 Kelvin, so 300 into V1 gamma is given as 1.4, 0.4, which is equal to T2 into V2 and then V1/16. V1/16 again 0.4, correct? so here we can find what is T2. T2 என்னவா இருக்கும், so here your T2 will be equal to 300 multiplied by, here if you take this side, what you will get, V1 inge 16, here you will be having 0.4, so cancel, so you will be having 300 into your 16 whole to the power 0.4. so this value is 300 into, this is approximately 3. okay, so you will get 900. okay, 900. next process is what, pressure constant process. pressure constant process what we will get, pressure constant meant T, that is T1 by V1. okay, this will be equal to what, T2 by V2. okay, so first irukka temperature namakku theriyum, first temperature வந்து 300 Kelvin divided by V1. first irukka volume என்னது இந்த ப்ராசஸில், இங்கே இருந்து இங்கே போகிறதுல V1/16. okay, V1/16 which is equal to T2 we do not know. okay, so divided by V2 is what, from here it is going to V1/8. so cancel it. so what you will get, so here 2, so your T2 will be equal to, I think here I made a mistake. numbers tappanida, so it is going from this point to this point, correct? so here this is T2 V2, this is T3 V3. okay, erase everything. so again we can redo this. so T2 is what, the T2 is nothing but what we found, correct? about T3 only we have to find. this T3 will be equal to what, T2 V3 by V2. about here this is T3. about T2 another, that is 900 into V3 another, that is nothing but V1/8, V2 another V1/16. so now you cut it. so what we will get, so 900 into, if this goes you will get 16/8. so now this is 2, and then 9 2s are 18, 1800. So answer should be 1800.